I'm fucking turned on right now. Hey! Woo! Now it's looking like a drift car. First problem is always getting this car jacked up and then on the lift. I still haven't got it dialed in on the best jack point for this thing, but we're slowly figuring it out. All right, so here we go. It is Monday. Yesterday we started ripping out the driving center. Today we are getting drift cars ready for Wednesday. Gonna finally go shake down the Z. And so to get it ready, I've been breaking in the Tomy diff. And so now we're gonna drain the diff fluid, refill it with some clean diff fluid. A few other button ups on the car, but we'll tune you in as we go. Yoo! Here's where we're gonna start. It is mapping the right hex head for the diff, and we're gonna get up under there right now and start draining it, and then sort out if I have the pump for the refill. If I don't have the pump for the refill, unfortunately that's a run to the auto shop. But try to put a little lighting on for you guys, see what we're doing down here, because this is my first time doing the diff fluid, which doesn't look too hard, but I've said that before and really bit myself in the butt. So here we go. I am getting so good at this, but I don't have the right size to wrench. So I just throw it on a little reducer. Well, that's not good. We don't want to strip that out. So let's see what we got going wrong here. I haven't done diff fluid before, so I don't know how this is gonna come out. And I would like to avoid an extreme mess. Let's get this out of there. Pop down to just that.
Nice.
All right, we didn't make an insane mess. Yeah, so I've been breaking in that Tomy diff, which is a clutch diff. Yeah, before I go rip it on the track, I want to put some fresh diff fluid in it and see all the little metal shavings that allegedly I should be finding in here. Looks like this little bracket right here is gonna have to come off to get to our diff. Ah, man, I made a mess. Anyway, and I just dropped the plug in the bucket. Damn it. All right, well, that's what I get. Not paying attention. Now. All right, so we started to break loose this diff bracket. It's out of the way, but I don't think it's out of the way enough to refill the diff. So we're gonna get in here and figure out how to get this off. I was hoping we were good. Need to see if I can get this guy in there or not. Yeah, let's do it. You see what we're dealing with here. That's our fill, and this bracket, this brace is in the way. So I think it's gotta come all the way off. You couldn't just give me the moment, eh? You couldn't just let me have it. Come on, you filthy whore. Maybe I can make... Oh. It is this type of morning. It's broken loose. Now we can go like this. What? All right. Not as bad as we thought. We would have figured it out. As I'm learning in the car game, you figure it out. I'm so used to being now. I want it now.
But I want it now!
Oh, I gotta deal with these problems, and now it's namaste. All right, now we gotta put gear fluid in. So to fill it, I'm gonna drop it back down, and then I gotta look up at the end, the proper torque specs, put an actual torque wrench on it, not just monkey wrench it down, trying to be the proper torque spec guy. Because I could just put some of that on it. You're shaking your head for Ray Ray. Oh shit, another Z's arrived. Oh, I gotta put a reduction on it. Oh, reduction hose. Reduction hose! But right now I'm on my back trying to angle in there. I can't see what I'm doing, so we'll get it up and then we'll go from there. Here's hoping that I'm not destroying a $1,500 diff. There it is.
Empty your mind. Focus on the task at hand.
All right, we're in. What was that? What was that? I think that's right. Yeah, I have it in the food.
pliers. There's our pliers. Needle nose.
All right, hold that there. Don't tell Mama, Gaddy.
No, mama. What my ass.
Sorry, Mama. I cleaned it out with good soap.
Stat.
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 Scalpel.
Scalpel. Doctor. Doctor.
Doctor.
Doctor. Who knows the movie?
Doctor.
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 Let's roll this out. Oh, that's what we like. A little bit of drippage. Bring your head up.
Probably.
I should probably not be gay. Yes. Yes, don't be gay.
That's on the list. But
It's in. It's in. It's in.
oh, it's just not very straight.
Hold up. No, I'm just kidding. Hold the f***ing flashlight.
It's not going in very easy.
Shut the fuck up, Gabby. God, you.
Can this lift go higher?
That ought to do it.
Damn tight.
There it is. I soft lace them because once you put tension on them, it becomes harder to line other bolts up. At least that's how it is with stunt rigging and truss. So until we get all the bolts in, we always kind of just finger tight them, and then everything's in, everything's taken thread. Now I can put some on it. Oh my God, I'm cringing. Oh my God. I've heard that noise before.
You guys just tie them backwards.
Sometimes she talks to you. Human bodies make funny noises sometimes. That's horrible. Nothing to be ashamed of. It's just a natural human body thing doing a thing. You know where I got that from? Super Rad Girl. It was the funniest thing. Because you're here, I'm not going to tell the story. But I'll tell Nick later. Tighten these babies up. Put all the tools, clean up, and then we can do the transfer of the lift.
This is this trick.
What?
Noticing?
What? Is it in the wrong way?
What's the rotation?
Is it pointing the way it's supposed to go? So that dude put him on wrong?
They on wrong. Doesn't matter, but.
It matters when it's wet.
25s are like strips.
The way I
You
like
really
it,
know
baby.
what-
There's got to be a fucking better way to do this, dude.
You can't get a wrench in there?
Would I have a wrench in there if I could get a wrench in there?
You could cut that bolt shorter.
No shit.
What happened? Trying to help.
Any more brain buster ideas? Oh, you get a small socket in there, we're blowing like a shower.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
God damn, you're a gun right now. Have you ever wanted to just punch somebody in the
I'm just
face?
trying to-
Right now, I
so
want to
you can-
really just
So you can get
pow that fuck stick right in the fucking mouth.
It's so you can get one. I'm trying to explain it to you.
Oh, I'm a dumb f. Nope, doesn't work yet.
What? Good question.
So the whole team came together, even Ray gave it a go. She did get something where none of us could. And then ultimately we found out these nice, thin, narrow little, whatever they're called, are awesome. These are the Nippics, and they're awesome. All right, we're gonna keep an eye on that at the track tomorrow. Physically, I can't put any more pow-pow on it. No, no. Only I slide the property. No, no, no. You don't get to destroy my $50,000 blacktop. Only I get to destroy
It
that.
wasn't working. I had to make sure it was working. That was the first time I tried it. I didn't think it would work. It worked though.
Coffee time! Caveman Coffee, Tate Fletcher, woo! Oh, Tate has hooked me up with phenomenal coffee. He was like the original coffee dude that I heard on Joe Rogan before Black Rifle. And I met him doing a movie and he hooked us up with a case of coffee. He supported a lot of random stuff that I've done. And yeah, I'm a big fan of what him and Keith Jardine put out. Give it a try, it's good stuff. I'm such a dick. I would find it so funny if he got pulled over. He's gifted, like so naturally talented at everything he does. I'm always so jealous. Like I watched him start drifting and I'm just like, how are you so good already? I don't know. I just do it. We're gonna call it there. We'll see how it holds up. We're only driving for one day. We got 2 other bolts in there and then we're gonna bring it down. We're gonna change out the diff fluid again and then we're going to see how the bracket held up. Because we have to jack up the car like you saw at the start of this to get it on the lift. So last time we put some wood under there. It did get a little sketchy at the end. We're gonna try to avoid that this time. You're doing great. Shut the fuck up. Ain't nobody talking to you. Come on, baby. Oh. Hey! Hey! Raven, would you be so kind as to go grab the iPad off the coffee table? He needs to sign a waiver. Illegal! We're gonna call ICE on your ass. Gimp hand. It's my strong hand.
I better use my strong hand.
Monito in the house. The king shit has returned. On a bitchin' bike, leathers. I'm fucking turned on right now, baby. What up? Looking good? What's up? Remember Nick?
What's happening? Yeah, we just flew in the tunnel the other
Oh,
night.
we just flew in the tunnel the other night, man.
You weren't there, were
No,
you?
really? I wasn't there, guys? Fuck.
Man, that looks so good.
Yeah, dude.
It'll be nice when it gets done.
Holy shit. Man, last time I saw it was just a platform.
Hey, I like it.
You're gonna have to take this center console out, bro.
When you're done, pass
All
off.
this for a fucking wire.
If you get a oil filter,
I gotta shut the fuck up. What do you want?
Gio, that's your G switch.
What is the G switch?
That's a it's a gravity switch. Basically, when this detects when you do like turns, too aggressive turns, it's got a sensor, right? And when it detects too many G's, that's when it kicks you off and it limits the throttle and all that jazz.
Mono probably just saved us a couple hours.
That's it.
Today, he is our Dark Knight. The hero we don't deserve, but we need right now.
Start it up. Should get some warnings on the dash saying that your G switch is off. Yep.
Great.
Yep.
When I was
Try
in
to
a
drift.
drift,
It will cut off your throttle.
when I was in a drift, it would.
All right. If you want, you can go test it, but that should be it. That's pretty much it.
Eric, you don't have to have any pressure washers, did you?
I have a case of shut the fuck up.
Okay, so 2 more for the back. I got 3, 4. Perfect. Wait.
Is it making a pizza pie? You roll to the door, a good pizza pie, eh?
Put the 2 rear screws and we're good.
Woo!
I found an extra screw, extra parts.
It's like armor all. All right, we're out of here. Next time, drift track. Woo! Still, little poppies.
Yeah. So always careful. Easy, easy.
29 turns. Dude, so my dad comes down. Well, hey, we need your help. We need to build a stand for the TV. Pissed. And he's like, I said, yeah, I saw what you guys were doing. I'm like, what? He goes, I was watching your live stream and you were destroying our simulator setup. You know, you could have done it without breaking things.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh.
And I said, it's like, you know those Instagram reels from Interstellar where he's like watching the old videos? And he's like, no, don't do it. I'm like,
yeah.
That's him watching our live stream.
He gets attached to projects.
Oh my God.
And he put a lot of time on that thing.
And like that, gone.
I'm gone for a year and this place is a shit show. You're taking all my tools.
I told you.
I'm working on
I
it.
told you.
Here it looks like it went up. 3 bombs went off in here. Like
Four bombs went off,
only
buddy.
two, only
4
two.
bombs.
Only 2.
Hey, check it out. Son Eyewear. We love them. Stylish sunglasses. When you're driving, make sure your trunk is empty so you're not throwing stuff all around. Eyeball. I was gonna rip the plastics out, but Mono's helping us keep it stylish. So drilling a hole there so we can access coilovers because they have adjustability.
Mano's got some clever ideas.
It does. Bad, not bad. Now it's looking like a drift car.
Here. Nice.
Mono. He designed and built out this shop. Ran airlines, all of this because of this guy. It's pretty epic, dude. Like every time I'm in here, I'm always like, damn. I just have never done it, been around it, and yeah, it's epic, dude.
Pretty dope.
Dude, this,
The lights,
fucking A,
everything.
bro. Wild.
Tire racks, air conditioning, airlines, lift. Mounting that lift was like 2 days.
All right, so we're gonna make a tool for that bracket that can fit in there. We're gonna grind this socket down. You out of here? Yeah. All right, bro.
Safety first, right? See ya, man.
What's that, buddy?
What button lifts her up? I need to figure out a better exhaust. This,
Yeah, I hate mine too.
oh, that's where I went over a rock.
Slowly but surely.